INEC have given its reasons why it won't postpone Edo and Ondo governorship elections amid the coronavirus pandemic. The Independent National Electoral Commission has explained the reasons why it will not postpone the upcoming gubernatorial elections in Edo and Ondo states despite the ravaging coronavirus pandemic in the country. A spokesperson to the commission, Festus Okoye, in an interview on Arise TV Monday said, postponing the governorship elections in Ondo and Edo State could make INEC lose the right to pick the date for elections in the future. INEC in February fixed the date for the governorship election in Edo for September 19th, while that of Ondo State was fixed for October 10th. Subsequently, after the pandemic took a toll across the country, INEC in March postponed the scheduled governorship by-elections in Plateau, Bayelsa, and Imo State. But with the increasing number of cases of the respiratory illness across the country, where there have been concerns whether it is safe for the commission to conduct elections, especially in the light of physical distance measures to curtail further spreading of the diseases. Meanwhile, Mr. Okoye cited the 1999 Constitution, which provides INEC the freedom to conduct an election not earlier than 150 days and not lesser than 30 days to the expiration of the tenure of an elected office holder. He further added that while the commission is aware of realities of coronavirus pandemic ravaging the country, the implications of not adhering to the law could make INEC lose the right to pick the date of elections going forward. The commission is a constitutional body and its power are derived directly from the Constitution section 178, subsection 1. Said that it is the function of INEC to fix the date of election, but subsection 2 says that an election to the office of the governor shall be conducted not earlier than 150 days and not lesser than 30 days to the expiration of the tenure of the last holder of the office. The implication is that the governor of Edo State was sworn in on November 11th and we must conduct the governorship election in Edo State on or before October 13th, 2020, while that of Ondo State must be conducted on or before January 25th, 2001. The truth of the matter is that the country is faced with a situation of conflicting rights, the right of the Nigerian people to elect their representative and also their right to life, not to go to a polling unit and die. So we recognize there will be problems and challenges, but we are on point and we are determined to deliver on our mandate, Mr. Okoye said. He further added that if we fall off outside the constitutional window, the implication is that going forward, the commission does not have right and wherewithal to pick the date of elections. The official also said the commission will release a timetable and schedule of activities for the two elections by June 1st. That is a report coming from INEC, and this is a good one as we prepare for the gubernatorial election in Edo and Ogun State. We'll be hoping to hear more from them, and I will keep you informed as this news keep coming on, because I know everybody is waiting when this election is going to hold, if at all it's going to hold. INEC have said it, the election must hold, whether with or without coronavirus. They are going to hold the election. That's what it's trying to say. Just keep a date and keep hooking up to our Wakes Network. We'll keep you informed. Thank you.